Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What is going on, man? Today is October the 5th, Monday, October the 5th. First, what I want to do first, let me stop. What I want to do first is thank everybody. Yes, I crossed the 17,000 subscriber mark yesterday, okay? And I meant to bring it up, guys, when I was on live stream, but it blew right by me because I was trying to get to the game yesterday. So yes, thank you guys. 17,000 subscribers, guys. That is great. That is a milestone for me, okay? Yes, I've never thought I'd get that high, okay? I'm really shooting for 20, but I'm grateful for 17, guys. And it's all because of you guys that watch the video, that comment on the video. Some of you guys even share the videos. I want to personally thank you guys for that. Yes, 17. Let me say it again. 17,000 subscribers, okay? Like I say, 17,000 subscribers. All right, that's it. Let's go do some tour. Let's go. Alright, hey, what do we have here? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a beauty. Oh, C250, I recognize this emblem. Somebody has traded in a Mercedes. Now, y'all know every time I come back here, I would like to always know, that's only a little flaw. I always want to know what in the world do we have on the lot that would justify trading in such a car. This is a little beauty. Now, let's see what we're working with under the hood. I did overhear them talking about this making some type of noise. Hey, ta-da. Whoa. I have no earthly clue. I'm just kidding, guys. Y'all know mechanics slogan, a car is a car is a car. This, my friend, is an engine, okay? Now, as far as, like I say, when he brought it in, y'all know I'm being sarcastic, right? But when he brought it in, it was making a little noise. The guy, used car guy, seemed to think some type of balance shaft, a little knocking noise. So, although it may be suspicious to wonder why somebody would trade in such a car for a Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge product, you'd be surprised of the reasoning, okay? Some would get rid of their little four-door sedan for SUV. We have some nice Durango, nice Grand Cherokees out there, guys. So there's a lot of reason why people will, I guess you would call that an upgrade from a little car to an SUV. So we are, in other words, we, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, the king of SUVs and minivan. But still, at the end of the day, there's still a Mercedes. What it feel like to sit in such a car? All right. Nice. Okay, instrument panel, nice. Look at that, nice, pretty check washer fluid light on. All right, entertainment system. I don't know, but look at the HVAC system. This is nice, guys. I'm just not a fan, okay? Is that a sunroof? Yes, look like a sunroof. I don't really want to touch anything until after he inspected. I'm curious how many miles on this thing. Is there such a key? Look at the keys, guys. Hey, see that? Very nice. I want to see how many miles on it, but when he get back, we're going to go over it some more, guys. When he let it up in the air. But for the most part, it's a nice little Mercedes, okay? Curious to know what transmission, how many speeds, 4-speed, 5-speed, who knows? What year is this? This, my friend, is, don't say. We'll find out when the used car guy get back. But for now, I am pretty impressed. Okay, Mercedes-Benz, guys. We did somebody traded in a BMW last week. Hey, what my man over here working on? Yo, man, what you doing, man? We work on more import cars than we do. Oh, radiator.
Well, a couple things, but that's one of them.
Why, it's leaking? Somebody trade this in? Yup. 2010 Toyota Corolla. What'd they get when they traded in? Man, I thought y'all can see this stuff.
We can see that, but we don't look at that.
So obviously they have plans to sell it. They're fixing it, right? Anytime we're making a repair on a used car, they have plans to put it on a used car lot. It's a Toyota. It shouldn't sit out that long, should it? I mean, it's an import. And it don't look that bad.
That don't mean nothing.
Fan come off. Right. Fan come off and you right there.
Oh, you mean the radiator?
Yeah, that's what you're replacing, right?
Well, that's one of the things. I gotta do an axle.
Oh, you got more?
Yeah.
Okay. They put money into it. They have plans.
What's up?
All right. It's a Toyota Corolla, 125,000 miles. Pretty neat. Yeah, they got plans for this one. This one's gonna sell fairly quick. Remember, guys, we have no brand new four-door sedan cars out there, so with this being out there in a used car lot, this should spice it up a little bit. Nothing really impressive to run home about, but it looks good. No sunroof.